Hello everyone. Today we will discuss next half of chapter number 1 articles taken from our English practice book. And students, I hope that all of you have completed worksheet 1 to 5. Now students, let's move on to the worksheet number 6. Read the sentences given below. Put a tick against the ones in which the article has been used correctly and put a cross against the ones in which it has not been. One example has been done for you. So students, let's read first sentence. Rohan loves the food. It's wrong. Next one students. Rohan loves the food his granny cooks. Means particular food which his granny cooks. So it's correct one. Rohan loves the food his granny cooks. So put a tick here. Next one students. The children were playing in center of the park. Put a cross here. The children were playing in the center. Okay. The center. The children were playing in the center of the park. It's correct one. Put a tick here. Next one students. Third one. Megha will be going to United Kingdom to visit her aunt. It's wrong because students we have to use article the for countries whose name includes a common noun. So students next one Megha will be going to the United Kingdom. Okay, before United Kingdom students we use article the. So it's correct one. Megha will be going to the United Kingdom to visit her aunt. Next one students. Fourth one, yesterday I met Prime Minister of India. Put a cross here. Next one students, yesterday I met the Prime Minister of India. Put a tick here. Next one students, fifth one, the Himalayas are to the north of India. The Himalayas for rivers or ranges of mountains we use article the, so it's correct one. And Himalayas are to the north of India, it's wrong. So in fifth sentence students, first one is correct. So put a tick here. Sixth sentence students, Anurag is the boy who has won the championship. And next one students, Anurag is a boy who has won the championship. Here students, first one is correct. Okay, Anurag is the boy, particular boy who has won the championship. Okay, Anurag is the boy who has won the championship. So students, it's correct. So put a tick here. In this way students, you can complete worksheet number 6. Let's move on to the worksheet number 7 now. Complete the following letter by writing correct articles a, an and the in the blanks. So students, let's start with the letter. Dear Saloni, hi. I have just come back from an exciting vacation in Belgium. The city has changed a lot in the recent years. There are a lot of new buildings in the center of the city. I don't like the new buildings. Still, I feel fascinated. I have been to Belgium before also and I've visited the places I know. Even these have changed. The old fort in the south of the city has been restored and there are now a lot of fast food joints near the central market. However, despite all modernization, Belgium's natural beauty is still unchecked. There are lots of forests and parks. You can escape from the city and feel you are in the countryside. And what's best is, in the evening, there is so much to do. You will love being there. Come with me next year. Lots of love, Vani. Like this, students, we can fill in the blanks with correct article a, an, and the. Now, students, let's move on to the worksheet number 8. Arrange the sentences given below in proper order and write the story in the space provided. Make changes in the language wherever necessary. Here students write down article a, an and the wherever it is necessary And after this, students, make it arrange. Okay, arrange these all sentences given below in a proper order. And students, write down as a story in the space provided to you. Start with the story now. A mouse lived in the woods near our house. One day, the mouse stayed into our garden. Tiger or cat loves chasing mice. When he saw the mouse, thought it was an opportunity not to be missed. The tiger slunk behind the bushes. He pretended to sleep in the shade of a tall tree in the center of the garden. Then the mouse came closer and closer. The tiger caught up and stalked the mouse. Tiger was about to pounce on the mouse, but then it shouted, "No, tiger, no." Mouse was frightened and ran all the way back to the woods. Then the mouse hid under foliage in the garden, and the tiger looked disgusted and went back to the place that was his favorite. Like this, students, you can complete this story. Okay, write down story here and make changes in the language wherever necessary. Okay, write down in the space provided to you this story. Now beta, let's move on to the worksheet number 9. Read the sentences taken from the unit People at Work in my English Reader, class 7. So students, let's read it first of all. Papa, a sweet for me, the little one would ask. You will only have a cake, would come the angry voice of the father. How you shout at a little child. What does he know? His wife would protest. Now students, do you notice the use of inverted commas here? Do you notice it, students? Students, remember inverted commas are used to enclose the words spoken by someone. Okay, inverted commas are used to enclose the words spoken by someone. Like, Papa, a sweet for me. These are actual words of the speaker. Okay, the words spoken by someone. So, we should enclose these words with inverted commas. Okay, the little one would ask, पापा अ स्वीट फॉर मी. जो एक्चुअल वर्ड्स हैं बेटा स्पीकर के, उन्हें हमें किस में करना है? इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में. देन स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट वन, यू विल ओनली हैव अ केक विच कम द एंग्री वॉइस ऑफ द फादर. तो फादर ने क्या बोला? यू विल ओनली हैव अ क्विक. इट्स द एक्चुअल वर्ड्स ऑफ स्पीकर. सो inverted commas are used to enclose the words spoken by someone. Now students, let's see next one. How you shout at a little child. What does he know? How you shout at a little child. What does he know? His wife protests. उसकी wife ने क्या बोला? How you shout at a little child. What does he know? So these are the actual words of the speaker. So remember students, inverted commas are used to enclose the words spoken by someone. Now rewrite the following sentences using commas, full stops, question marks and inverted commas wherever necessary. So students, let's read first sentence. You should go to bed now, the matron said. Here students, you should go to bed now. Enclose these words with inverted commas. Okay, these are actual words of the speaker. So enclose these words with inverted commas. You should go to bed now. Then students, put a comma after now, and at last students, put full stop, mark full stop. Okay, then students, next one. There lives a beautiful white cat in this house, whispered Andy. Here students, there lives a beautiful white cat in this house. Enclose these words with inverted commas. And then students, put a comma and at last put full stop. Next one students, are you practicing for the match next week? Asked Raghu's mother. Students, we can write down like this also. Raghu's mother asked, then comma, then start inverted commas. Are you practicing for the match next week? Then put a question mark, and after that, students, and close inverted commas. Okay, like this, students, also we can write. Raghu's mother asked, comma, inverted comma, start. Are you practicing for the match next week? Then question mark, and then inverted commas, close. Then next one, students. Who has put so many frogs in my room? Said Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells said, comma, inverted comma, start. Who has put so many frogs in my room? Then question mark, and at last, inverted commas should be closed. Students, I hope that all of you have understood where to use inverted commas. Now, students, try worksheet 10 yourself and read the poem given below and put in the missing inverted commas. Okay, students, try this worksheet yourself. Now, students, let's move on to the next part. Fill in the blanks by writing the appropriate article in each space provided. Write zero article where it is not required to have been done for you as examples. So, students, let's start. A young scientist called Frankenstein started trying to create life. He used electricity. Here, students, we will not use any article, okay? He used electricity to do this. After a year of struggle, he succeeded, but created a monster. Then we are talking about the same monster. That's why, students, we use article the, okay? The monster was very large and ugly. People hated and feared him. The monster wanted love, but he learned to hate. Then one day he killed a boy. Frankenstein was in the state of shock. He realized it was an error to have created such a creature. He regretted, means pachtawana, he regretted having wasted his time over a useless creature and decided to kill it. Like this, students, you can complete this worksheet. Now, beta, let's start with the next part. Rearrange the following phrases to make meaningful sentences. The first one has been done for you. Students, I hope that all of you have tried it well. So, students, just here I am giving you answer of this worksheet. So, students, let's start with the first one. Ours was an interesting family. Next one, students. Ravi was the eldest and so the favorite of a family. Next one, second. Nina was 6.5 years younger than him. Next one, students. Sonal, who was a big bully, was the second born. Last one, students. Nina was an intelligent girl, but Sonal was a boy without common sense. Like this, students, you can complete this worksheet also. Now, students, I hope that all of you have understood this part well. Now, students, complete chapter number 1, articles, in your English practice book. Okay, complete chapter number 1 in your English practice book. That's all for today, students. Thanks and have a nice day.